In the case of 3 suspects accused of kidnapping a mother and her 13-month-old baby out of their Garner home. This happened last week.
The ABC 11 I-team has learned those 3 people facing charges: Paola Duran Duran, her brother Miguel Angel Duran Duran, and Leo Estrada Hernandez are now facing charges in federal court tied to that alleged kidnapping.
Only the I-team was in the courtroom today as they made their first appearance. Sean Coffey live in Raleigh with what he's uncovered. Hi, Sean.
Yeah, hi, Lauren, Steve. As you just mentioned, this all tied to that wild case in a Garner neighborhood last week that triggered that Amber Alert you may recall after investigators say these 3 suspects kidnapped a mother and her 13-month-old for ransom. And today in court, a lawyer for the U.S. Attorney's Office confirmed that the 3 suspects are Mexican nationals here believed without proper documentation, and they're being held by an ICE detainer. Today, court documents obtained by the I-team detailing the terrifying moments a mother and her baby were kidnapped from their Garner home at gunpoint last week. Federal criminal complaints for Miguel and Paola Duran Duran, as well as Ileodoro Estrada Hernandez, show an unknown female and 2 additional male suspects force their way into the home, with one man brandishing a black semi-automatic handgun and both men wearing ski masks. According to a statement from the man held at gunpoint, he noted that the suspects knew his name and the nickname of a family member before being asked for $1 million by the next day. The documents, which state that the 3 suspects met each other while working together at a previous job, also shed new light on a possible motive. A statement from Miguel Duran Duran to authorities says he and his sister Paola both agreed to help Leo, the 3rd suspect, with a job for $100,000. While Miguel provided more details about the purpose of that job, the FBI tells the I-team tonight they haven't been able to prove his allegations and are actively investigating a motive tonight. Miguel then told investigators that several hours after the alleged kidnapping, they saw an Amber Alert come out for the victims. This scared them, so they drove about 15 minutes away and dropped them off on a dirt road before driving away. All 3 suspects appeared in court today with both handcuffs and chains around their waist and feet. They are set to appear back in federal court here in Raleigh on Monday for a detention and preliminary hearing. All 3 face a maximum of life in prison if convicted at a potential trial. We did reach out to ICE to learn the potential deportation status of these 3 given their immigration status in the United States. So far, we have not heard back. We're live in Raleigh. Sean Coffey, ABC 11. Eyewitness News.
Eyewitness News, the only local news organization there in the federal courtroom today as this investigation is now coming into focus.
Sean, thank you.